I'm with my buddy, John Walker, Texas Ranger. First thing we got to talk about is your lift kit, man. What is on this thing?
Well, it came with a Camburg front bent I-beam suspension. And then I put some Fox shocks on it.
There you go. There's the radius arm with the Heim joint. All right, what size tires are on this thing?
These are 35-inch tires. I've had pretty, I played around with BF Goodrich, Toyos, and then, I forgot what these are called. Several tires. I've had pretty good luck with the Toyos.
And then you got wide body fenders?
Yes.
Cool. Was it this color when you got this van?
No, it was silver.
Okay. How did you paint this thing, man?
Well, I had somebody paint it for me.
Okay, nice.
I powder coated the bumpers and then had somebody paint it for me.
What did this bumper come from?
I made it.
You made it. Yeah, we got a bunch of fabricators here.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the inside.
Okay.
Last time I didn't get to really talk about this. This is like everyone.
It's a little messy right now.
It's okay. We're going camping.
Been living in here.
Yep. You've been out since Thursday?
No, I came out yesterday morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I stripped out all the seats in it. It had I think 3 rows of seats in the back, and then the front, and then I made it more of a pre-runner style. I have a background in off-road racing, and I like to go out and spectate and do pit work. So I put a 3rd seat in the back if anybody needs to. If anybody dares to drive with me.
You gotta talk about the roll cage, man.
The roll cage, yeah. This is 1 3/4 120 wall tubing. I just wanted to personalize this van and make it my way, and that's the whole thought about the roll cage.
No one has a roll cage. Shout out to my buddy Chris. He needs a roll cage. You seen Chris, right?
Yeah.
He's a little crazy. He probably needs a roll cage. I worry about the guy. So, but there's his camera mount right there.
Yeah, it gives you a place to mount things. When we're camping, I like to carry some protection against wildlife. I've had issues with wildlife actually camping.
Oh, we won't talk about this. The monetization. That's for the That's for the other channel.
Okay, all right. and here's the front.
That's a hint. There's another channel, guys, that talks about other stuff. Let me know if you want it.
Right. Okay. And so I took out the original console and tied my own end, similar to what you would find in
this is not
truck.
I've been waiting to actually look in it because I said I need to talk to this guy before I do our actual video. This is cool, man.
Yeah,
this is your own.
I mount the I just use the iPad here with the Onyx off-road navigation, and then up there in the upper left corner is a Bluetooth GPS antenna.
Dude, this is
this is crazy. I don't need phone reception to get accurate data.
Dude, this is nice. I'm glad I didn't make it on my own. I'm glad I'm actually.
And of course, we need night vision for the creepers.
This is actually like a true impression. This is freaking cool, man. And then when you look at it, everyone has their own way of how they want to go camping. This is the most not fancy. This is for the zombie apocalypse, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about it in the other channel.
We can't escape them. We just run them over. Yeah. Oh, and then I have my compressor here.
And then you know what I also remembered? Let's show them how you have your aux locker lever. You have it different. You have yours different than mine.
Yeah, a little bit different.
Yeah.
So in the back of here, I had Deaver Springs in Santa Ana built me the leaf springs, and I'll tell you what, that was a godsend. The stock leaf springs are horrible in a van. They're horrible in an F-Series truck, too. They're really thick. You'll bounce down the freeway unless you have a big load in it.
So you are an advocate for rear leaves versus the blocks. There you go, guys. See, we got a guy with custom rears to achieve the lift. It's custom springs versus the lift block.
There's no lift blocks in
there. You go. And this guy has it, so we got an advocate for it right here, this guy.
So I have a aux locker.
Yeah, let's look at it. Oh, yeah. You probably have the same diff as me.
Yep. I need to re-gear it again. I have 410 gears in it, Yukon gears.
You need 456s
to
turn those 35s.
I went up to 35s. The 410s are perfect for
33s. Yep. So let's see how his lever looks. And who installed this?
I did.
Oh, man, this guy, man.
Wait,
Mr. Mechanical here.
More stuff there.
There you go. Look at that. So mine is all the way down here.
Yeah.
His is right here. I'll show you guys mine again if you haven't
I
seen
can
it.
reach it.
You can't or can?
I can. And then I built a little
I have to open my door to reach mine.
oh, okay. I built a little locker down there. So if I'm going into a motel or something, I can actually lock up goods.
Nice. Yeah, this is really cool, man. This is like a actual, like, me seeing it for the first time, because I've seen a little of it, like just taking a peek, but this is the first time I noticed how much you've actually changed out for your liking, man.
Yeah, those are off-road visors. So the regular visors, if you hit a bump really hard, they'll move on you.
I didn't even notice your seats, man.
These even lock in. You just, yeah, they're. Oh, I can't get up there.
Okay, I see it. Yeah, you got a nice man. You really made, and you're never gonna sell this thing.
Probably not.
Yeah,
Probably,
you can't. Too much
hopefully I
time.
don't die in it, but maybe with it.
You can't. Too much work in it, man. You can't ever sell this thing. There you go, guys. Texas Rangers van. Yeah, super cool. Yeah, I've always had a peek. Never realized how much he changed out the seats. I've always saw the roll cage, kind of had a peek at the roll cage, but never saw the seats, the center console. I saw the rear locker, the lever before. There's the roof of his van, and then there's a Starlink right there, and then I just got Starlink, so you can see that square in my windshield. That's my Starlink. I just live streamed. It's only 2 minutes, but it's up live, or it's uploaded right now. It processed, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys where my aux locker lever is if you haven't seen it. Here's where my aux locker lever is located. Good morning from Borrego Springs. It's Jose's kid walking on the roof. The family, man, he's out for round 2. This is what I love to see. I think Ryan and Jose are the perfect representatives for lifted 2-wheel drive vans. You don't need a sports mobile. You don't need a U-joint. You don't need a fancy Sprinter to get out, have an adventure. These guys are getting the most out of their lifted 2-wheel drive vans. It's really cool to see. This is why I've been talking about lifted 2-wheel drive vans for 13 years now. Here's mine. I was inspired because I saw a sports mobile only meet, and then I knew about 4-wheel drive vans because of Motor Week doing reviews on Quigley vans. And then I fell down the rabbit hole on how to lift a 2-wheel drive van, and now 13 years later I'm doing meets about them.